This is the Keychron C2 mechanical keyboard. This has a USB-C, Type-C, braided cable, nothing fancy there. This is how it sounds. These are brown switches. Okay. Full sized, if I didn't say that already. This is a much better daily driver than a lot of keyboards, or 99% of the keyboards that a company might provide, just like this one. Yeah, it's not good. Ew. But this, even though it's around $50, it's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah. Everyone in the office likes it. I mean, when they try, they love it, because it feels like the keyboards they've had in the past that the office, the company doesn't provide anymore. Yeah. Good. Not good. Good. Yeah.
So satisfied, especially with the sound.